Alright y'all, so you guys see me go through my entire wash day to get to this takedown, which is the focus of this video. And the very first thing, the most important thing to your takedown is to make sure you're not doing your takedown on dry hands. So I actually have 3 different products in front of me from CURLSMITH. I have their Intense Treatment Serum. This right here I would say is more for like coarse, really thick, like really tight textures, experience a lot of dryness. This serum I would say is more for you guys. And just so you guys can see, you would think it was like really thick butter, but it's not. It like, even just in that quick of a second, it melts right in my hands. So I would strongly suggest this for people who have really thick dry hair. This would be for you. Then I also have the bonding oil from CURLSMITH as well, and the shine oil. Woo. As y'all can see, I've already been in these products because I almost spilled that everywhere. But I have the bonding oil and the shine oil. Both of these are very lightweight, so I would say these are for your medium to fine density girls. The difference here is this is protein rich. This is going to be for people who have like color treated hair like me, or who are experiencing a lot of breakage, or just you need some extra strengthening going on to your hair. This right here is for people who need moisture. You don't have a lot of breakage, but you just want to add some moisture and shine to your curls. So this is what I'm going to go with today, because I did use the protein rich collection from CURLSMITH for this wash day, so I don't want to overload on protein. So I'm going to go proceed with the shine oil today. Now before I even go through and take the rods out, I go ahead and put some on my hands. And again, this is very lightweight. And I'm start taking down. Okay, so on top of making sure your hands are nice and oiled and moisturized before you start digging in your curls, you also want to do a couple more things. You want to make sure that when you are pulling these curls apart, you're pulling where they naturally come apart. Like, see how it's already separating? This is where you want to pull. I can actually even tease this one out even more, because you see where it's starting to separate here? That these are your pull lines pretty much. You pull where the hair is naturally coming apart. You do not want to force your hair apart, because it's going to generate more frizz. And then another tip, the more smaller the pieces are, the more frizz you're gonna have. Now for me personally, I don't mind a little bit of frizz. I put the shine oil on my hands just to make sure that I'm minimizing the amount, but I want volume. So at this point you need to be deciding, do you want more volume or do you want more definition? And that'll determine how you're gonna pull them apart. There's no magic number for each one. You can just like that one's a little big, I can go through and just leave it and let it go. It's just fine. But I'm actually gonna take it and separate it even more, because you see how it's naturally coming apart. You can see that little space right up in there. I'm gonna pull it apart even more, because again, I'm a volume kind of girl. Give me volume. I do not mind frizz. Alright y'all, so I am all unraveled, as you guys can see, and I got bomb definition, But I'm about to go through now and stretch my hair, and this is where this definition is about to get a little loose. But like I said, I'm a volume girl. If you guys like definition, stop right here or do not go as far as I go with my stretching routine. But I'm going to stretch my hair. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do, so sit back and enjoy. Y'all, so that is it. I have some good volume. I still got definition too. So if you guys are interested in these products, again, it is CURLSMITH. They will be having a sale this month. This is May of 2022, in case you're watching this some years or months down the road. They will be having a sale this month where you'll get a free 2-ounce mini shine oil with your purchase. I'll have the information on that in the description box with the dates and everything to make sure you get your sale and get everything on time. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're in the comments, go ahead, let me know what other, specific tutorials y'all want. I always get questions on how do I get my hair going from so tiny to a nice size fro, and this is literally what I do. I used to, back in the day, just go through with a pick and just pick, but I felt like that was way too rough on my curls. I was experiencing breakage at my roots. With this method, I can do it. It's not a lot of manipulation. I'm not afraid of heat. I have been doing this for years. I have no issue. So this is just my method to go through and easily and quickly, because you guys saw that took no time, stretch my hair out and get good definition. So again, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what other videos and tutorials you guys want in the comments. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're old, make sure your notification bells are on, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.